Here's how you can stop others from sharing your Facebook posts to their stories. First, turn off post sharing from settings. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Then, tap on the profile menu. In the top right, tap on the settings icon. Now scroll down to the audience and visibility section and tap on profile and tagging. Here, turn off the toggle next to allow others to share your posts to their stories. This stops people from sharing your posts to their stories going forward. If you want to stop sharing for one particular post, do this. Go back to your profile page and tap on your name in the top. Scroll and find the post you want to protect. In the top right corner of that post, tap the three dots. From the menu, tap Edit Privacy. Now select Only Me. Then tap Save. After this, the share option disappears and others can no longer share that post. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.